to drive a steam engine. Step 1, head to the engine shed. Step 2, climb aboard the engine you've been given. Step 3, the fire has been lit for you by the firefighter. Now release the brakes and use the regulator to move. Step 4, head to the yard to collect your train that has been arranged by the shunter. Step 5, wait for the guard's whistle to blow. Step 6, the guard has blew his whistle. Now you can head on your way. Step 7, you are now in the countryside and you're on time. Step 8, you see a red signal up ahead and you pull on the brake.